How to stop sharing call history between two iPhones. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Now, search for or scroll down to find Phone and tap on it. You are now in the Phone Settings page. Within the Phone Settings, you can manage features like call blocking, call forwarding, and voicemail options. You can also customize your outgoing call settings. On this page, scroll down to the Calls section and Call Forwarding. Call forwarding redirects incoming calls to another phone number, ensuring you don't miss calls when you're unavailable or unreachable. Here, make sure that the call forwarding switch is turned off. Following these steps, you can easily stop sharing call history between two iPhones. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.